guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Maggie. So I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. The first one we got is the squishy. It's covering up the name because I don't really like showing people my bad named ones. I'll take the name off because it's not really a good name. It's a squishy. It has like stickers and coloriness on it, and it's pretty slow rising. I like cutting off the ends because I feel like they give more effect. I use paper towel in this one, so it's a bit harder. The next squishy made also has a really bad name, so we're taking it off. It's this orangey, bluey donut. It's still pretty good. In my next video, I will show you how to make these squishies. I'm going to be making a couple. This is my best squishy. It's named PB&J. It's the best squishy I made. I used bags, like shopping bags. It's not the slowest, but it's still probably one of my favorite. The name tag is falling off. Okay. And anyway, it's called PB&J, and it's probably my favorite squishy. Next squishy is a peanut butter sandwich. It's not as good as the last one because I didn't take the whole thing in a video but it's pretty good. You can tell I use baggies, just saying. I have a couple left. These ones don't have zip-up bags. We got this one. I thought this was just cute. I'm putting them in zip-up bags now. And how about you help me name them, guys? So let's do it, just saying. I'm going to show you the squishy up close again. It's like this really cute squishy. It has eyes. What should I name it, guys? I usually like naming squishies I'm going to name it Gerald. We're going to use how I make them. People ask me in my comments below, how do I outline the squishy? I don't know how to say, but how do I name it? How do I pick a name? I just pick randomly. Just saying, I have a purple Sharpie. You're gonna need a half paper, and then you're gonna fold it in half just like a hot dog. Then you're gonna write the name. I'm gonna name it Gerald. Gerald. Sorry if I spelled it wrong. I'm really bad at spelling. Just saying. And then you're gonna take the outer end of your zipper bag and put the name in. And just saying. I put names on all of these because these ones are older, so I want to put names on it. Anyway, I'm going to show you a little up close. It's a little eye one. Just saying. Next squishy is probably my favorite. It's going to be named S'more. It's a little s'more. Just saying. Naming it S'more. And then it's probably my favorite squishy is the PB&J, but this is my most detailed squishy. Not the best at making squishies, just saying, but I can do better than this. Just saying. Put the donut little squishy in. Just saying. What's the next squishy? There's a couple squishies I do want to throw out because I don't like the squishy. But I do want to keep one more, and then I'm going to throw the rest out. This one is just named S'more, and then there's one more I want to keep. These are the next squishies I am going to keep, but I just don't want to put in zipper bags because I feel like I'm wasting them. This one, I'm just saying. They're all just crusty and messy. I don't want to put them in zipper bags. We got this one. Pretty good. This one's too cute. These ones are just not adding the zipper bags. This one, this one, purple, and this one. The last one I'm going to add in the zipper bag is a nut. Okay, just saying. Get a baggie. Then you're going to get your tape. You only need a little piece for each side. Okay. And then the last one is this. Not my favorite, but it's just a nut. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite squishy. It's probably going to be the PB&J. It's just it's not my most detailed, but it's just my most squishy one. And The rest of these are pretty good. Go and see in my next video because I am going to be showing you how to make them. I'm probably going to make 3 different squishies tomorrow. So bye guys.